In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page border in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and noticed a decorative line or box running around the entire page, that's a page border. It can be useful for certificates or flyers, but when you're preparing a formal report or just want a clean look, removing it is quick and easy. I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to do it, and I'll add a few helpful notes so you know you're in the right spot. First, with your document open, head to the Design tab at the top of Word. In the Page Background group, click Page Borders. This opens the Borders and Shading dialog box. On this window, make sure you're on the Page Border tab, since that's the area that controls the border around the entire page, not just around paragraphs or text. Under the Settings section on the left, select None. You'll see the preview update to show that the page border is gone. When you're ready, click OK to apply the change to your document. That's it. Your page border should now be removed. If you prefer another route, or if you don't see the Design tab depending on your version of Word, you can get to the same place from the Home tab. On the Home tab, find the Borders button in the Paragraph section. Click the small arrow next to it to open the menu, then choose Borders and Shading. This takes you to the exact same dialog box. Again, switch to the Page Border tab if needed, choose None under Setting, and click OK. You'll achieve the same result. A quick tip if the border doesn't disappear. Double-check that you're working on the Page Border tab and not on the Borders tab, which affects text and paragraphs only. Also, look at the preview pane to confirm the border lines are cleared. If your document uses different first page or section settings, make sure you're viewing the part of the document where the change applies. To recap, the fastest method is Design, Page Borders, None, OK. Or, from the Home tab, open the Borders menu, select Borders and Shading, choose None in the Page Border section, and confirm with OK. With these steps, you can remove page borders in just a few clicks and keep your document looking clean and professional. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try it on your document now and enjoy a border-free page.